We learned a lot about forms and submitting various kinds of data. Now, one specific kind of data is missing though, and that would be files. This course section is about file uploads and file storage. And we're going to learn how we can implement file upload, how we can then store these uploaded files somewhere in our project, and how we can, of course, also serve them. For that, we're going to explore how file uploads work in Django, how the data is being stored. We're going to add file uploads, and we're going to explore different ways of adding this. And of course, we're going to make sure that these uploaded files then also can be served to our users. Because often uploaded files are not just for us as the owner of this website, as the developer, but we want to serve them back to users. For example, in the case of user profile images, where of course we don't just want them stored on our servers and view them ourselves, but where instead other users should be able to see the profile pictures of yet other users. So we're going to dig into all these aspects step by step throughout this course section.